Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we have practice 1.1b. It's for all the regular math classes. If you were in classes in the morning, that is going to be found all on your Big Ideas math book online. However, if you were in the 7th or 8th period class in the afternoon, this is going to be a sheet of paper that's front and back. Honors math, you've got practice 1.2. Across the board, in science class, you need to complete the assignment called Boy in the Water, submit it via Google Classroom, and mark as done. This is an assignment that looks at observations versus inference. In social studies, you need to study the BIA key terms. You have a quiz over the BIA key terms. That is tomorrow. Remember, you should have 4 papers that we've worked on with 2 to 3 terms each. In language arts, you need to read over the orientation slides. All right, you can go through and access that through the link right here. It's also there's a material on Google Classroom as well. It's also found on the front page of the school website. We're doing a game in class tomorrow over this, and then have a quiz on Thursday. In literature, if you are in regular literature, you need to read 30 minutes from your AR book. And we do have 2 weeks from tomorrow. Half of your AR points are due. If you are in honors literature, you have to read 45 minutes a night, and you still need to have half of your AR points by September 18th. I highly suggest that if you've not yet done so, you need to finish a book this week and take an AR test before you head home for the weekend. In CNL, there is nothing. That's going to be it for this evening. Everyone, have a great night.